The default settings of QuickCheck are chosen to ensure smooth operation for the most common measurement situations. However, let's have a look at some other settings. Under Meter Settings, we find General Settings. Delay allows you to ignore the initial part of an exposure, for instance, a spike. Set how many milliseconds should be ignored. We can also ignore a certain number of pulses. Window lets the user define the length of a time slot after the delay, which is used to determine KV. Post-delay is the time that the system will wait for another pulse after detecting a trailing edge. There are 3 measuring modes. Normal is when the measurement is triggered automatically. Timed is semi-manual, where the measurement is start or triggered when the user clicks on Start. The duration of the measurement can be changed by entering a value in measurement time. The default is 10 seconds. Free Run is the fully manual triggering mode, where the measurement is triggered by clicking Start and stopped by clicking Capture or Cancel. Waveform type is automatic by default, but a special setting can be made for AMX4 units which produce a very special spectrum, and for which a special algorithm has been developed. Trigger individually is useful when additional probes are connected, for which there is a difficulty to reconcile input from the separate probes. The design of the Mako system makes most of the traditional settings obsolete. The only one left is beam correction factor, which lets the user apply a correction factor to the measurement values. The meter or probe information has 2 tabs, one showing all calibrations stored on the probe, and the status tab showing the calibration date, as well as the hardware and firmware versions, etc. The tab Base Units shows the status of the base unit, including the Ocean Next license version.